First, connect the power cable to the machine. Then, plug it into the wall socket, ensuring it is completely inserted and locked into place. Fully activate the machine by first rotating the push knob clockwise and pulling it up. Then press down the system button. Finally, engage the laser by pressing the laser button. Carefully pry open the display's protective cover using a screwdriver. Securely fasten the screw back into its original location. To access the settings interface, click the setting button, enter the password 6, and then click the enter button in the bottom right. Click others and select your language. Save the setting to return to the main menu. All changes are applied automatically. To access the primary cleaning interface, click Cleaning and enter the password 1. This is the most frequently used screen for operations. Click Power to configure the laser power, laser frequency, laser pulse width, pre-cleaning air assist air pushed before the cleaning starts, post-cleaning air assist air pushed after the cleaning finishes. Access the scanning parameters by clicking Swing in the top left corner. From there, you can select from 8 available scanning patterns for the cleaning operation. Click the Files button in the top right corner to manage your cleaning presets. Select one of the 9 available slots to save your preset. One slot is designated as a frequently used file for quick access. For example, after properly adjusting the power and cleaning parameters, return to the Files menu, select a slot, and save your settings. Carefully remove the fixing tape, starting from the cleaning gun and then along the remainder of the cable. When using the cleaning gun, ensure the cable is straightened to avoid kinks and prevent damage to the laser light cable. Ensure the lens cover is removed before operation. When cleaning a dusty area, connect an air compressor or oxygen cylinder gas to the laser machine. Fix the joint pipe to the cleaning head, directing the airflow towards the red base with tiny holes. This system blows away smoke and dust during operation for a clear cleaning process. To operate the machine, first click the sway button. When the indicator turns green, signifying the electric motor is active, click the laser button to start the laser system. You may then begin using the cleaning gun. To begin, choose the first swing pattern type. Then proceed by selecting Return, followed by the sway and laser buttons. When you begin cleaning, the laser will project to red dots for positioning and a horizontal red line that defines the cleaning pattern. To start the operation, double-click the red button on the cleaning gun. Second swing pattern type. Third swing pattern type. You can adjust the X and Y axis, as each pattern has its own specific parameters. Fourth swing pattern type. Fifth swing pattern type. Sixth swing pattern type. The laser path moves in a systematic raster pattern, scanning from the top left to the bottom right. The seventh swing pattern is designed to project and follow a floral image. The eighth swing pattern is programmed to follow a figure-8 infinity symbol path. To shut down the machine, first click Sway to close the cleaning interface. Next, press the laser button to turn off the laser system, followed by the system button to power down the main unit and motor. If the machine will not be used for an extended period, press the emergency stop button for a complete shutdown, and lastly, cover the cleaning gun. Cover the lens cover. In the Settings menu, select Calibrate. The default lens size is f/5.4. If you change the lens, for example, to an f1.60, the settings will update automatically. Click Return to exit. The calibration is now complete. This is the f/5.4 field lens. To replace the field lens, for example, with an f1.60, unscrew the current lens by twisting it counterclockwise. Replace it with the new lens by twisting it clockwise until secure. The system will automatically detect the new lens size. To replace the protective outer lens, unscrew the outer housing at the top of the field lens assembly. Gently drop the lens onto a clean, soft cloth. The lens is non-directional, it has no front or back, so it can be inserted in any orientation. Use the air button to test the air assist system. When pressed, the button will illuminate green and you will hear an audible pop, confirming the electromagnetic valve has engaged. Once this test is successful, you may connect the air compressor. Air will then flow through the cleaning gun. If you press the air button and no air flows, this indicates a malfunction. Do not use the laser, for it will damage the protective lens. Please contact the main factory seller. The parameters in this settings interface are fixed presets, calibrated for optimal cleaning performance. Unauthorized or random changes are not advised. If adjustments are made accidentally, please refer to the tutorial video linked here to restore the default settings.